for everyone that subscribed this month. I really appreciate it. I've got 151 today, up to date. Hopefully when this goes out on Sunday, I'll have more or get more from anyone who's watching who would like to subscribe. It's free. It'll help me with my channel and it'd be very much appreciated. So if I could reach 200, it'd be great. If I don't, I've tried and I'll push it for July. But thank you very much for subscribing, and don't forget to like, give it the thumbs up, share, and if you haven't already subscribed, because I've got a lot of people watching it that haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free and it's very easy to do. And if you're finding it hard how to subscribe, all you do, go into YouTube and ask how you subscribe to a channel, and it'll tell you how to set up. You just put your email address in and that's it, and you can set up and subscribe to anybody then that you like, so you could see more of them. So it's so easy to do. So just go on YouTube and ask it how you do it and it'll tell you, and straightforward, you won't have a problem. It's a cold day in June. Oh, it's ridiculous, isn't it? I put my woolly hat on because it's cold this morning. So we've got everything set up. Vincent's done the egg mix. So, oh wow, is this summer going to ever come? But anyway, so I'm going to carry on doing what I'm doing here. So I'm pleased that I've set the scaffolding up now in the corner. I've pointed just to above the lintel there, as you can see. So I'm actually going to go higher now and do the pointing up there. So it's coming on really well. I mean, that's all back pointed at the moment. So another week or two, I'll be able to finish pointing off that, and I'll be scraping the gable wall and then chiselling out the rest of that gable wall. So I'm not going to video that bit. Like I said, you don't want to see someone pointing. It's boring as hell. Now this is what Vincent's done. He's cut the stone and he's marked them all. So that's one. We've got two, and so on and so forth all along here. I forgot to video him. He spent all day yesterday cutting these stones. Let's go up that side. So he's actually marked the stonework here, so he knows. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So he's got all the stones that's going to fit there. We've decided we're not going to put the sliver down here. I'll scrape that back so that'll look nice when I've done the detailed work on it. We're actually going to cut this stone here and start the arch from here and cut this stone here, because it's only 1, 2, 3 stones here. I'm going to cut this stone here, so X amount's going to come off it. We can take that one out and we can do the arch going round, so we'll get a nicer effect from the arch. So we decided to do that. This side hasn't been backfilled yet, so that didn't matter. Right, Vincent, it's a freezing cold day in June.
Oh, it is. Is it still June?
Still June. Feels like autumn.
Does feel like autumn.
Right, so what are we doing now?
Right, we're going to pick up the frame that I made earlier.
Yeah.
And then balance it on the 2 timbers that I've got up against the window.
Yeah.
And then there's a couple of marks on the frame and also on where we want it. And we've got to try and line it up. Now you see the top of the, I'll just go in a wee bit,
Okay.
give you some idea. The bottom of it wants to be on this line here.
Right,
Yeah?
okay.
You see that line?
Yeah.
Right. That is the centre of the window.
Yeah.
So the mark that's on this template lines up with that one, roughly. And the bottom of it wants to line up on this one. And in the meantime, we need it to rest on those so I can screw these legs in that I've also made.
Right then, let's
go for it. So I'll pick it up at the moment, and then This is just a rough idea.
Yes, that's the one that's often used for right. Right, so where are you stopping it on?
The centre there now, let's load it towards me a little bit. Should be right, spot on.
No.
We're talking of the centre line.
Oh, no, the centre line. Right. Right, no, it's just that the small frame here. You stand back and hold it. Right. Look this side and look the other side and see where the white, the PVC frame is.
Right. So, what we get the right, you go backwards now. I'll try and line it up from here.
Need to go over to the living room window. Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Maybe a fraction more, but only another metre. Look. That's it.
Could you get me one of the legs and the drill screwdriver out of the back of the tube and get over there? Can you get me another leg? Drill out of my pocket and bring it round here and screw that through. Whoa. That's spot on that one. Let's see what this is like now. This is down. Right, so do that.
That's really good.
Good. Let's hope it stays there.
Right.
Now the first stone, I'll go over there. That would have been.
Got numbers on. Go on.
This would have been the first stone. If that was to go, if this first stone was to go where we planned it to go, that's as much of the stone as you'd see.
Yeah, it would have been a waste of time.
So what our plan is now is to cut out this brickwork.
Yeah. Cold. My nose is freezing.
I'm cutting these out.
Right.
So I'll cut this side of the thing.
Right. So
when this does go in, it's going to be sat there on its own little shelf here. Yes.
is it not supposed to be a bit closer to this?
Well, it could be as.
Oh no, that can't, can it, on that side because of the.
Well, it could be on there actually, because when that frame comes out, you're not going to have any.
Yeah, but then have we got the problem down here?
No, we won't have a problem down there. So what you'll have then, if you can see here, don't have that right? Because again, you're going to have an inch here.
Yeah.
To be pointing it in.
Yeah.
And the same on there and there and
Yeah.
there. And then that's going to be butted up to that. That's the idea of the thing.
Yeah.
And I get brownies, points and kisses.
Only when it's done.
Right. Suntan.
Yeah, suntan. It's a rust tan. Let me just show you what Vincent's done this morning. He couldn't do too much because obviously the stone had fall down through gravity. I'm just going to flip it over 1 minute. He's put that stone there just to support the bottom one, and he's just put these ones in, so eventually I'll point up along there, so we'll be able to get that all the way up to the top and then do the arch. There's probably easier ways, maybe, I don't know. But
do you think that needs to go over slightly?
Which way? This way or that way?
This way. Over towards the sitting room window.
Over
maybe if you stand back a bit
that
more,
way.
You get her up or up.
Let's have a look.
Now it's going to be rustic.
That's for sure.
So it doesn't have to be. Are you seeing more of the window on the right?
I don't know, it's hard to say.
Then it's good enough then. If it's hard to say, it's good enough.
We seem to be getting a lot of bees coming round us. So I've moved the scaffolding over now to this section for a while because Vincent's more or less finished here now. So I'm just doing a bit of pointing up there where it's dry at the moment. Finished doing the pointing there, but down this angle here, I'm going to get the chisel out again and just clean up the adjoining wall there, and then I can point and blend that in better. Until then, and here's I think the rain's coming again. We're just having to go and got ladders holding things up and everything, so we're just going to see if that works. It seems to be sticking because the ladder's really not doing much, funny enough. It's not even on it, but at least if it slips, it's on the ladder. So we'll see how that goes. That's the idea anyway. Would you like a cup of tea?
Oh, I'd love a cup of tea if there's no sugar in mine, Dawn.
No sugar, you're sweet enough. Right, I'm going in to make a quick brew, and then we'll spend another hour or two at it.
Now, as you can see, this is hard, dusty, dangerous work. It's just a matter of trying to find the right method to do what I'm doing. So, if anybody's got any ideas, please notify us. I don't know if this is going to work, but a little bit did. Good
morning all. We had a couple of days off there with the grandson, and we were at the beach, as you've seen. Well, I might just put it on after this so you can see a couple of clips there. So we had a day off, that was on the Sunday. And because we didn't do any work on the Sunday, Monday we were absolutely wrecked. I think it catches up with your body. So we were really exhausted, and we thought, I would just have a lazy day with the grandson because we were going to do bits with him. But we just had a lovely roast dinner and just took it easy. So today now we're going to get cracking again. I just want to show you Peter Rabbit's house. Peter Rabbit's house, because we've had the cement mixer near it, obviously it needs paintwork doing again. So that's his front door and his window, and at Easter time he always leaves eggs out for casing, And again, if Kason knocks on the door, if he's been a good boy that day and asks Peter Rabbit, would he leave him a little egg? He might leave him a little treat as an egg if he's been a good boy. So yeah, that's Peter Rabbit's house. We're going to go and look at the property now that's for sale, that Flopsy, Peter Rabbit's brother, is interested in. So we're here now in the front garden. I'll go and show you the property. It needs renovating, and chances are you'll have to get planning permission for it as well. Let's see now, we're coming into it now. Here we are, found it. I'm just going to set this camera up so you can see. This is the property here. It's in a nice surrounding area. So the for sale sign is up. It's got lovely views. Lots of stonework to hide. Rabbits love to hide in little places. So there's even like stonework here, which he could actually park his little car if he wanted underneath here. So it could be like a carport. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing if Flopsy buys this property, which will help with our renovations, and Flopsy will have his renovations to do, new windows and doors, so we'll have to follow him, see how he's getting on. I'll give you more updates as we go along. We're having a day off, aren't we?
We are indeed. Are we going there?
Yeah. Do you want to go and see the waterfall?
Yeah.
This is Glen-Car.
See water.
Yeah, we're going to see the water. Right, go on, you can walk ahead, but if I call you, you have to come back.
Don't go fast.
Okay, don't go fast. So we're all going up to the waterfall. There's two different paths you can take. And the sun's coming out, isn't it?
When was the last time we were here?
Oh, it's a long time, it's a while back now. You were here with Great Granddad. Oh no, we were here with Great Granddad and Great Grandma a long time ago. Oh, a flower for me. Thank you, it's beautiful. Cheese!
Yeah.
Love Love you, Kason. Scenery is absolutely beautiful here. You've got a car park there to park, and there's public toilets down there. The cafe is behind me. We're in the children's playground at the moment. Glencar Waterfalls is just through that gate, across that little bridge, and up the path that way. So all this opens up, and it's all glass windows and seating area inside a gift shop, and you've got the tables and chairs outside. And that mountain there is Ben Bulben, well famous in Sligo, and we're going up to Mullaghmore, so we'll be heading that way up the road. So it's absolutely gorgeous.
16 degrees.
16 degrees. Yep. Wow, that's great. Considering we're nearly at the end of June.
4 minutes to 12.
I'm so hot.
Are you hot? I know it got very warm, didn't it? We've got the windows open now. Look at that view. Oh, that lake. Yeah, the waves are big, aren't they? Right, Mr. Kason, are you ready to go on the beach?
Yes.
Right, hold Grandad's hand, we'll go, we're going this way?
Shortest way.
Right, come on then. Since I've been to this beach, we've got a new path and everything. It's absolutely gorgeous. We chose the right day for coming out. So pleased. It's great to have a day off. It's a great easy access as well. Nice smooth path to walk on. No trip hazards or anything. This has improved so much, isn't it, since we were last here? Yeah, that's wheelchair access, but it's not very good there. You want to go there?
Grandma, I caught my tiger.
Did ya? Don't lose him. It had been too hot on that back wall to be pointing today. It'd dry out too quick because they haven't got any hessium to keep it cool. Put sheets up and wet them, but 2 days too good, isn't it? It's brilliant. Can't go wrong with Mullaghmore. It's a lovely beach to walk on. Just sit here and chill. Beautiful countryside. We're so close to the beaches and the lakes and everything. It's fabulous. Ireland's a beautiful place, especially this side of Ireland, Sligo, Leitrim. It's beautiful. You've got the mountains, you've got the lakes, you've got the forestries, you've got the sea, the beaches, you've got everything. Best place to live. Yeah, Cason's found a hole and he's digging. You say hi, great grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
You having a good time?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, Shay. Yeah, great grandma will be at the beach in Wales now. No. She said the day was going to clear up. She was right.